Many thanks for visiting us. We welcome you. Need one good reason to do a reality check of your business? We will give you 5 options. Your business may pass through one of the 5 different phases. Curious to know what are those 5 different phases? And the surprise element is, what 5 simplified solutions do we plug in? Let's begin. The first business phase is when your business is rising and it has the potential to go even higher. So we have named our solution as Reinvent. Reinvent your business model to reach to newer heights. Now let's go to the second phase where your business has touched a peak but it has not been able to sustain at that level. Now this is the peak and your business is currently at this level. But by resetting your business can restore the past glory. So the solution of ours is reset. Reset your business to the previous peak or apply the best business practices. Now, taking you all to the third phase, which is you are doing good in your business but not able to carry the momentum. So you are getting stuck after reaching to a particular level. The solution of ours is recharge. Recharge your business to carry on with the momentum. Now talking about the fourth phase, which is your business is getting into the trouble zone. And it immediately requires solving the jigsaw puzzle and restructure. Your business can bounce back from this level. The solution of ours is restructure. Once you apply our restructure solution, your business will be ready to bounce back. Now taking you guys to the fifth solution, which is you started with a business but you couldn't continue running it successfully, but at the same time you don't want to leave the business. Your business requires a totally new approach, a new life. You have to build it all over again. The solution of ours is restart. This time you start from the end and you have to build it again. Yes, all of this we are launching under the brand Redot Consulting. 5 phases, 5 simplified solutions. Your business will get stronger with Redot Consulting. What are you waiting for now? We invite you to fill up the online form and let us see the solutions together.